Hello friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to derive a month, quarter and year from an existing date field in Tableau. For this I'll be showing you two simple ways to obtain the desired output. The first method would be to click on the date field and then click create custom date. You can give whatever date field you want, week, month or year, quarter, etc. I'll be clicking month here and then renaming the field to orders month and then click OK. Now if I drag it and drop it on text, it will show us the month of the order date. Similarly, the second way would be to drag and drop the orders field and then right click on it and give quarter, and then to display the value change it to a discrete field. That's it. Using this method you can obtain years, week and as well as any date level hierarchy you want. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Bye.